Hi, I'm Alicia and this is Healthy Humane Living, and today I'm going to be showing you a super easy, delicious cake to make. It is healthy, it is gluten-free, and it's a one-pan wonder. So let's get started. I've pre-measured everything because I want to show you how quick and easy it is. So I'm starting out with a cup of flour. The recipe calls for all-purpose flour, but I, on the recommendation of my friend Plant-Based Tracy, am using chickpea flour so that I can make it gluten-free. And then I am adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm using 1/8 of a cup measurement because it's the same amount, so a little bit of math lesson here. A 1/4 cup of organic sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to mix all that up together. And then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of plant-based milk. I like soy milk, but you can use any kind of plant-based milk that you want. And then the last thing I'm going to do before my fork goes into my batter, and I will have to get a new one, is to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. And I try to get everything organic and plant-based that I can. So let me get a new fork to stir with. So you see that came together nice and, smooth, easy to do. Took about 2 minutes of stirring. Next step, got to do this quickly, is 1/4 cup of cocoa. Just pour it over the top. 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and this is so important because this is how you make the yummy hot fudge sauce, and 1.5 cups of boiling water, and you just pour it over the top. And you don't mix anything up, and then because I do like a little bit of extra crunch, I'm going to add a handful of walnuts. So this is what it looks like, and now we are going to put it into the oven. So the cake is all out of the oven. I cooked it for 30 minutes, and it's all cakey and gooey, and it's got its own homemade sauce to go with it. So I'm just going to spoon some of that up. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream to it, and a few banana slices. So as you can see, this is absolutely gorgeous. It's super easy to make. Took 5 minutes to whip it up. It's accidentally vegan. I found it in an old Better Homes and Gardens recipe book that someone gave me when I graduated from high school. And it's got some hidden veggies in it because of the chickpea flour. So what else could you ask for? Healthy, delicious, and soon to be invisible. My name's Alicia, and this is Healthy Humane Eating. Healthy Humane Living, rather. Have a great day.